Hey guys, Chelsea Ausland here. I'm here with my gorgeous model, Rachel, and we're gonna do a look for the Skin Games Makeup Challenge. So we're kind of inspired by a look we saw that Mario did on Kim Kardashian. It had some golds and coppers and a nude lip, and Rachel definitely pulls off the Kim K vibe, so we're gonna transform her. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is where I generally start when doing a glamour makeup is with the eyes. So you can see here that I am blending and really working all the colors together. And then after I complete the eyes, I go in with the liquid base, and that allows me to get a really clean under eye and avoid any of the fallout that would have occurred had I done the eyes after. And so I'm really working the foundation into the skin. And then I'll proceed to set it with a loose mineral. Here you can see that I'm working on a nice contour, so around the hairline, and then chiseling out that cheekbones and then the jawline. And then I'll also do a little bit of contouring here on the nose, and I'm still using a larger brush just because I don't want it to be too sharp. I want the look to still be wearable and timeless. Here I finish up with a little bit of highlight, and now you can see the profile. So I love the copper-eyed look on this brown-eyed babe. We've really angled those brows. Her eyes look so lifted and round, doe-eyed, and with this bold copper eye, I think that the nude lip pairs perfectly. All the makeup used was Jane Iredale, a mineral line, so it's completely skin healthy, cruelty-free, and gorgeous. Thanks for following. Bye.